Good morning. We are taking down these redwoods behind me. Well, they're not redwood. I think they're cedars, actually. For as much as I've worked in the forest, you'd think I'd know what different trees are, but I don't. Hopefully you can tell in the video, the tops are completely dead and the bottoms are a little bit green, but these trees don't get enough water in the summer. This one's leaned over and we got the solar behind there, and Grandpa wants them to come down. So today we're gonna clean up the bottoms and cut them off. Because they're cedar or redwood, we're gonna cut them into poles, like telephone poles, and use them as posts or something in the field because they won't rot. Safety first, right? Got our chaps. If you don't know what these do, these if you nick your leg with the blade, with the chain, it actually has a bunch of fibers in here that bind up the chain so it doesn't go through and cut your leg off from our artery or whatever. It also helps keep your pants clean. We got our flathead axe for driving in our wedges. This is a metal tipped wedge to help push the tree over. I'm not sure we're gonna need it today, but we might. Ear Pro, Eye Pro, cool hat, and you're good to go. I don't know if you can see that, but the tree kind of has a lean like this, which is not good because the solar's over there. And I got a propane tank right here, so I can't fall it directly at me. I got another tree there, which I don't really care about. So I'm gonna try and lay it down right in between that tree and this propane tank. I think that'll be the best, come in this direction. So what I'm doing right now is clearing the path so that I can get around the tree easily. And also when I have to move away from the tree when it falls, I have an escape route. I don't want to be tripping on sticks, and if the tree's going the wrong way, or boards or rocks or weeds, whatever it is, I'm gonna have Mom move her car. That way if the tree goes backwards, it doesn't crush Mom's car. 5 more to go. It's been a hot morning, hot day. I'm done. That's the aftermath. 6 trees down, nothing broken, but I'm done. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more.